So, you want to install Roblox on Mac OS. You've come to the right place. In this video, I'll guide you through the steps to install Roblox on your Mac. Whether you're using an Intel-based Mac or one powered by Apple Silicon, this guide will work perfectly for you. Let's dive in. First, open your preferred web browser. I'm using Brave, but you can use Chrome, Firefox, Safari, or any other browser. In the search bar, type Download Roblox Mac and press Enter. In the search results, click on the first link, which should direct you to the official Roblox website. Once you're on the Roblox website, locate the Download Now button and click it. This will begin downloading the Roblox installer. After the download is complete, locate the installer file in your Downloads folder and double-click it. If prompted with a security message about the app being downloaded from the internet, click Open to proceed. Roblox will now configure its packages. This may take a few moments, so be patient. Once the installation is complete, you should see the welcome screen. At this point, you can move the Roblox installer to the trash, as it's no longer needed. Next, log in with your Roblox credentials. If you don't have an account yet, click Sign Up to create one. It's quick and easy. After logging in, choose any Roblox game from the Recommended for You section and click the Play button to start enjoying your first game. And that's it, folks. You've successfully installed Roblox on your Mac. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to give the video a thumbs up and subscribe for more tech tutorials and gaming content. Got any questions or suggestions? Drop them in the comments below. Until next time, happy gaming.